In maintaining distance from your thought and emotion, you can become available to the grace of the greatest beings. Well, the only aspect that impedes your ability to become available to grace is your own persona or personality. What you call as my personality, or generally what you call as myself, is essentially a bundle of thoughts, emotions, ideas, prejudices, opinions. If you maintain a certain distance, if you're able to maintain a certain space between you and your thought process, between you and your emotional space, not that you do not have them, not that you do not enjoy them, not that you do not employ them to do various things, but you maintain a certain space or a distance from them. In this distance, this little distance from your own thought process, from your own emotional structure, which are the basis of making you believe who you think you are, in doing that, you become available to grace. The grace of many great beings are always available to you, either in the form of just a blessing, enhancement of life, knowing, knowledge, guidance, and hand-holding. On various levels it's available. My life is a living manifestation of this grace. I'm uneducated, absolutely illiterate when it comes to spiritual knowledge, but here I am, accepted by millions as their spiritual guide, simply because of this constantly being available to grace of the greatest beings that ever was in this world.